Today marks more than just a business gathering. It is a reaffirmation of friendship, mutual respect, and shared aspirations between Cebu and the Russian Federation, and now deeply to Moscow. A relationship that has steadily grown through the years through diplomacy, cultural exchange, education, tourism, and economic cooperation. Cebu Province takes pride in its long-standing sisterhood relations with Russian regions and cities, and this time with the Moscow government. I don't know if there are other provinces, Your Excellency, that has had the privilege to have sister relations with two of the most dynamic cities in Russia. If that would be Cebu, then we are so blessed and honored. These partnerships open doors for collaboration in education, science, tourism, culture, trade, medicine, and now the digital economy. They also fostered meaningful people-to-people connections that continue to flourish today. Personally, I've had the privilege of being part of official delegations to Russia. Russia to me is close to my heart. I have friends, I have contacts, and every time we are visited by Russian people, and even if we visit Russia, we are more or less alike. We sometimes be discerning when we face each other, but once we have broken the barriers, we feel the warmth and kindness of both our peoples. Those experiences strengthen my belief that Cebu and Russia share enormous potential for deeper cooperation and stronger economic engagement. As what His Excellency has articulated earlier, that hopefully moving forward, we go past beyond the signing and look at more concrete actions and steps to strengthen that relationship. Today, as we gather here in Cebu, we are not merely discussing possibilities. We are building bridges toward better opportunities. Cebu stands ready to be your partner in the Philippines, strategically located at the heart of the Visayas and Mindanao. Cebu serves as a major gateway to domestic and international markets. We are home to an international airport, an international seaport, a thriving business environment, and a highly skilled and globally competitive workforce. Cebu continues to be one of the country's leading centers for tourism, information technology, manufacturing, logistics, education, healthcare, and trade. We recognize Moscow's strengths and likewise of the Federation's strengths in several industries that align with Cebu's growth priorities and development agenda. In healthcare, as I have intimated to Vyacheslav earlier, Russia's advancements in medical science and technology present opportunities for knowledge exchange, medical tourism, and healthcare cooperation. In aviation and transportation, we look forward to future discussions on strengthening connectivity, including the possibility of direct flights linking Cebu with Moscow or Vladivostok, which can greatly enhance tourism and trade between our regions. And Your Excellency, I think I can say without fear of contradiction that here in Cebu, we will take care of your aircrafts. In infrastructure, engineering, information technology, robotics, digital innovation, logistics, and smart city development, we see tremendous opportunities for collaboration with Russian enterprises and institutions. Today's forum reflects these possibilities. We are honored to welcome Russian companies and innovators participating in this event. I have come to see how accomplished and how well represented the delegation is here. I am optimistic of a fruitful forum today. As Vice Governor, I firmly believe that foreign relations today must go beyond ceremonial diplomacy. They must create tangible benefits for our people. This forum is an important step toward that direction. As we celebrate 50 years of Philippines-Russia relations, may this forum serve not only as a venue for dialogue, but as a bridge towards stronger economic cooperation, lasting friendships, and shared prosperity. To our guests from Moscow, once again, welcome to Cebu, a province rich in opportunity, culture, innovation, and hospitality. Sooner or later, I can share a shot of vodka with you. You will have, on behalf of the Cebu Provincial Government, our fullest support and cooperation. Spasiba.